Hi guys, and this is Grace again, and welcome back again to my channel, Grace and Pete Vlog. And for today's video, I'm gonna show you our newborn chicks. So it's another hot day here in the jungle. As you can see, the skies are so clear, and some of the trees has been dying, some plants because there's no rain. And look at that, it's so dry. As you can see, the ground is very dry. Vitamins. So, Daddy, can you help me?
What?
So, I want to show you guys our eggs here in the incubator. As you can see, look at the egg. They have a small hole. They're about to go out.
We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah, as you can see. You can hear also them.
Yeah.
And we have some chicks there already in the brooder box. 4 chicks, newborn. It's last night.
Yeah, we had to help them.
Yeah, we need to help them because they've been...
the ants.
Yeah, there's ants but inside the egg. Then we need to help them to get out because some ants been there inside and it's been disturbing. So we let them.
Spraying the ants too.
As you can see, look at that. There's chicks inside. As you can see, it's moving. It's enough, Daddy. As you can hear. See, they have that quirking noise. So our chicks is over here. Need to cover it, baby. So we have some 4 chicks here already. As you can see.
Two of them got the food pretty easy.
Yeah. There's ants again. That one, Daddy. There's ants.
Where?
There. Kuang gro na natubutang butangan ko na tog labador day no. Butang tubig, di ba isa ilalom sa labador niya atos na isa lay dito. Okay, no.
Nya makuan man day. Naog niya sila.
Awan, mura po naog pud ba. Di pa gro na katong labador nga dako o di gro na sa makuan. The ants is very disturbing even though we clean it. Look at some of them has been eating. That's the update of our egg and also the chicken. So some of them, the 4 of them, we helped them last night because they're full of ants inside and they really need some help. It's been noisy inside the egg. Is that right?
Yeah, they're inside.
Yeah, the ants is very disturbing. And also we put some water here. This is our incubator here. This is where we put some water here in the bottom so that the ants can't go inside, can't go to the top, the incubator. As you can see, it's been so dry here. So later today, I'm gonna go to the chicken coop over there. Kuha sa nako alcohol. So we're gonna put some alcohol. Maybe the ants will go away. We put some small alcohol. Baby, this one we're gonna put some. Nari Ha? Sama na ang? Mulai spray. Abli na diha, no? So I'll see you guys later. Let's see what we're gonna do for the rest of this day. And I'm gonna help my friend Bastion to clean that brooding box because there's some ants again, and we don't want that it will disturb with our chicks. So stay tuned for now, guys, and see you later. So it's almost 2 p.m. in the afternoon. I just do some voiceover because I'm not be able to concentrate what am I doing. And right now, as you can see, there's some egg there. So I've been taking out in the incubator. So I've been helping the chicks to get out because they are too weak to hatch on their own. So it's my first time to do this, and my friend Bashun will help me. And as you can see that I've been peeling the shell and carefully because I don't want the chicks will get hurt. As you can see, there's a little blood on it. So it's been 21 days now. That's why we've been trying to help them to get out because we don't want them to die, and hopefully all of them will survive. And we still have some eggs in the incubator. So I think we have 3 chicks already that it's they're in the brooding box, and we'll be having more later. So I just don't know why they not hatch on their own. So I have that tweezers to help take out that shell. I just do it carefully. I just don't really want the chicks get hurt. So you can see. So I'm a little bit nervous because it's my first time. So I need to learn that anyway because you know you need to learn all the new things, especially if you raise some chickens. You need to discover new things, I mean, that you don't even do before. So that's what I'm doing. So I've been enjoying with that, and hopefully that the chicks will survive, all the chicks. So after we take out all the chicks, we're gonna incubate more, and hopefully we have good luck on this one. So I almost let her get out on that, and I'm gonna show you. So anyway, I'm not been fully take out the chicks from that eggshell because still I'm afraid that as you can see, I'm gonna show you the final look when it's done. It's really like hard if you're first time. And as you can see that I've been showing you it's really hard to do it in the camera because they're still baby. You can see the eyes and the legs. They're really cute. Look at that. Look at that. They're moving. And I just transfer it in the brooding box. So we already own the headlamp. So it's over there in the side. So it's just hard for me to do some video while I'm transferring the chicks to the. So that's what we got. That's our newborn chicks. As you can see that they're still 2 weeks. And I'm gonna show you when they already get dry, the hair will get dry. I'm gonna show you the final look of our new inborn chicks. So we're gonna transfer it in the brooding box. So that's it. That's our newborn chicks, but they're still weak. So hopefully that they are all survived. So we still have more there in the incubator. As you can see in the bottom, we have 4 chicks that they already very active and they're eating right now. As you can see there. Look at how cute they are. They've been drinking some water and we put some vitamins, and some of them has been eating too. Look at that. It's really cute. That's what we are. So we're gonna transfer the one it's active. We're gonna transfer it to the other side, and the new one, the one we take out just right now, we just leave it there. And we're gonna help more chicks. We're gonna take out some more chicks there in the incubator. So I'm gonna show you maybe tomorrow, the final look of our inborn chicks. So this is our 1-day-old chicks here. We have some 13 chicks here in the brooding box. So our headlamp is over here, and they're very healthy and active. As you can see, we have some foods here and some water, and some of them is eating, as you can see. So that's the one we helped yesterday to get out, and they're very active. So they are 1 day old now, and we have 2 here in the other side that we not transfer because they're still 2 weeks to get up. Have another one here. And we still have some eggs there in the incubator that it's not been hatching yet. So hopefully that we have good luck on that, because I think the 2 of them is not really looks good, the 2 eggs. And maybe by tomorrow, if it's not hatching, we're gonna take them out from the incubator, because it's already the date is already due, and we don't want them to get stink there in the incubator. We don't want the incubator will stinky. And so you can see the chicks, they're very happy and enjoying themselves. So we have 13 here, 13 chicks. So total is 15, because we have 2 more in this side here. So we have 15 now. And so that's the one that I'm gonna just want to show you. And I think that's all for today, guys. As you can see that it's already dark here. It's almost 7 p.m. Our babies also here has been begging for food. Hi there. Why are you so noisy? Those are babies also there, our cats. So I'm gonna close the brooding box because I don't want them to get cold. It's really hard to use one hand. So I'm gonna cover here. So I think that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much again for the love and support, and thank you so much for watching my videos. So please, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So until my next video, guys, thank you so much again for all the love and support. I really do appreciate it all, and for all the nice comments. So I'll see you all on my next videos. God bless us all.